And they're up reasons and looking for the lead. Here comes Born Tycoon, Divine Choice, Vampire, Valiantly, and Theatrical Kiss. And going along for the first turn, Reason San. And around the outside now, Born Tycoon, 2 lengths back, Divine Choice, then followed by Theatrical Kiss. And Vampire down in 6th position is Valiantly as they hit the backstretch. With Reason San leads by half a length. Born Tycoon now the outside. And passing the half mile, still Reason San leads by a neck, followed by Born Tycoon. 2 lengths back to Divine Choice. Here comes Valiantly, Theatrical Kiss, and Vampire. Inside the last 600. Born Tycoon on the outside leads by a neck, followed by Reason San. Divine Choice joining them now as they hit the last 300. Born Tycoon leads by a length now, followed by Reason San and Divine Choice on the outside. But still Born Tycoon leads by a length and Divine Choice is still Born Tycoon leading the pack, followed by Divine Choice, and nearing the finish line is Born Tycoon, Divine Choice, Reason San, Valiantly, Vampire, and Theatrical Kiss.
Alright.
Tama, yung expectations, yung ano natin.